I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we are with Bandit 17 with cheese in jeans. Yeah, that one has been flourishing in the comment section. And we just get a chance today to do it. So, Good Friday today. Happy Good Friday. Big up on yourself. I've been busy all day. That's why I'm just get to the one. So, let's jump in the one and here where Bandit 17 off his send man. First time this may react to him. So let's go. Bandit 17, cheese and jeans. Let's get it. Hold on, production team. Hold on. We can't. Chuckstar, are you getting me, Jay? Yeah, Chuckstar, big up yourself. Mix and mastered by Chuckstar himself. Yes, visual by 14. So them have a little team go on. 14 films, big up yourself. Composed by Cardo Beats. Cardo, Cashman, big up on yourself. Let's go. No boy, I'm set.
And I 117.
No boy!
I feel a gal I get more cause I the center the creed. Alone country when we reach for the scene of your feet
and it's juvenile again, alright.
And you run fast from the client get fucked. Catch it bill next weed. I'm gonna grab our next cup. Mix it and it whittle in. I saw the killer them tons. We got guns, little nigga that thump you. And I'm like that.
Hold on, man. Juvia floor. The fuck? Young artists them have talent, man. Me telling over and over again and think a joke. Bandit 17, I
No boy.
No boy.
And I 117.
Mines.
I feel a gal I get more cause I the center the creed. Alone country when we reach for the scene of your feet boring. I don't know 17.
Ready.
And you run fast from the client get fucked. Catch it bill next weed. I'm gonna grab our next cup. Mix it and it whittle in. I saw the killer them tons. We got guns, little nigga that thump you. And I'm Mike Tyson all up and tweet wise.
Class, we got guns like a nigga will thump you. And I'm Mike Tyson.
Come in a Farid.
A binds, pussy. A
Catch
binds.
it bill next weed. I'm gonna grab our next cup. Mix it and it whittle in. I saw the killer them tons. We got guns, little nigga that thump you. And I'm Mike Tyson all up and tweet wise. Like a snake, but I saw the cup of them bite. I don't send no lies, so bring me my rifle. Oh, you fit up on me.
It's not nice to bring me my rifle. Yeah, man, the tall one. You wanna lean up around this, so bring it come.
Come in a Farid.
Binds. Ready? Bandit, big up your fucking self, you.
And I 117.
Whole production team.
I feel a gal I get more cause I the center the creed. Alone country when we reach for the scene of your feet boring. I don't know 17.
Ready?
And you run fast from the client get fucked. Catch it bill next weed. I'm gonna grab our next cup. Mix it and it whittle in. I saw the killer them tons. We got guns, little nigga that thump you. And I'm Mike Tyson all up and tweet wise. Like a snake, but I saw the cup of them bite. I don't send no lies, so bring me my rifle. Oh, you fit up on me, sure you don't got cheese in jeans. Rich God take your girl with ease. You don't
Oh, you have to talk about me, so you don't got cheese in jeans, pussy. You don't have no cheese, no doula, no gal, no money, nothing. Broke like blood clot, egg you talk about. Hey boy,
I
don't
saw the
stop.
cup of them bite. I don't send no lies, so bring me my rifle. Oh, you fit up on me, sure you don't got cheese in jeans. Rich God take your girl with ease. You don't fit boat full up a be a blue leaf. And the dirty clock full up a be a blue steel. For who want to see team, Jiffy beam.
Hey, dirty Glock full up and be a blue steel. appeal. For who want to see G? Well, on the man. Binds! What is that, man?
Blue leaf and the dirty clock full up a be a blue steel view.
Yo, no, me see why the one in the comment section so hard. No, me see. Sorry me took so long, but I was busy. Chuckstar, you again? Yes, Chuckstar, you again? Let me go.
Hey, Chuckstar. They don't know say no boy. And I 117.
Big up a young artist there, me ginger my fine bite to Bumbo Club. Ready?
And you run fast from the client, get fucked. Catch a bill next weed, and grab our next cup. Mix it and the whittle in, I saw the killer them tons. We got guns, little nigga that thump you. And I'm Mike Tyson all up and tweet pies. Like a snake, but I saw the cup of them bite. I don't send no lies, so bring me my rifle. Oh, you fit about me, sure you don't got cheese in jeans. Rich God take a girl with ease. It don't fit both full up, I be a blue leaf. And the dirty clock full up, I be a blue steel. For who want to see team, Jiffy beam, tire peel. A girl I get mockers at the center, the creed. Alone for crew when me reach beam, tire peel. A girl I get mockers at the center, the creed.
A girl I get mock at the center, the creed. Girl, it goes the perfume when I spray on. Him could have said a girl I get. Alright, that never be up it up, but you know what I mean. Him could have said the kid, could have said the kid I get because of this. Girl them want niggas, you know, but he never said that. Him say mock, cause him want to tidy it up a little bit. I like it.
You want to see team, Jiffy beam, tire peel. A girl I get mockers at the center, the creed. Alone for crew when me reach Panisino, you fit talk boy rich, I don't know I 17. Just the life I live. Remember those days, it have to climb that hill. Now the ex them have to drive and skid brick.
Yeah, man. Remember those days, me have to climb that hill over there, so. Now, guess what? Are the ex them. How the ex them a climb the hill, them and a skid. That is how the hill, that is how the hill steep on music. Remember, say I life man a forward from that the G I tell you right now. A sneakers in cars and tires and tires. All right, that's right there. Sneakers in cars and tires and tires. And a sneakers and tires no more.
Remember those days, it have to climb that hill. Now the ex them have to drive and skid brick gigantic live inside I sin. And every time it up it chat a shine I win. Me make you run a flashlight light with nin. Load up your laptop, hot files get pin. It's 17 straight, no fish, no fin. File down in fire pin.
17 straight. No fish, no fin. Nothing with gill, nothing with scale, nothing with... No sea creature around here. Fire on a blood clot fire pin.
Get pin. It's 17 straight, no fish, no fin. File down in fire pin. Pop my dick like a whipping. I a girl job one band for a charm. My seats are just past that phone.
Pop my dick like a whipping of your girl jawbone. Park it down in our cubby hole. Park it down in our throat hole. Like a narrow parking space, me I try to fit a beast in it. I want the blood clot about to say. Hey! Don't be rude. Hey!
You know the rookie them zone. Yeah, rich armor seats are just past that phone. 17 not large, whip straight, no fish, no fin. File down in fire pin. Pop my dick like a whipping. I a girl job one band for rich armor seats are just past that phone. 17 not large, you know the rookie them zone. Yeah, girl a monkey all black for a coach. Papa pillar make a toast cause he pussy them softer than liquid soap, no joke.
Nitro always a link with the young artist there. Nitro. I was 17 forward from your side as well. Cause my sister you on Lyric Link, see me. And now you on Bandit a link. That's cool.
Not large, not the rookie them zone. Yeah, girl a monkey all black for a coach. Papa pillar make a toast cause he pussy them softer than liquid soap. No joke, no joke.
Pussy them softer than wet tissue. Pussy them softer than wet toilet paper. Not even newspaper to blood clot. Wet toilet paper. I saw them soft. Them not go with nothing. Me short over here. Ask the public. Ask the public. Rude.
Me now a girl job one band for a charm. My seats are just past that phone. 17 not large, not the rookie them zone. Yeah, girl a monkey all black for a coach. Papa pillar make a toast cause he pussy them softer than liquid soap. No joke, no joke.
Bumbo clot. What more can I say? What more can I say? The young artists, them a show up and them a deliver. Them a show up and them a deliver. Them are the next generation of artists that's gonna be busting out on the music. So we need to give them a listen here, same way. You see me? And listen to them and say, bad, them bad, me not tell no lie. Bandit 17, first time I listen to one of your chat, them G. Bad, you bad. Yeah, me I go say it. Bad, you bad. Bad, you bad, me G. You have it. You have it, panda one, yeah. So, Chuckstar, big up yourself. Big up. Proper big up for you, me G. Big up everybody who take part in that production. So Chuckstar, 14K and Cardo Beats. Big up on yourself. Cashman, big up yourself too. You see me? Yeah. Bad Bumbo Cloud song. What you guys thinking I come? Well, me not for ask you no one to think in that comment section because you been a beat me in that comment section to actually react to that one. You see me? So me know so now wait on it. So see it here. Drop a like on the blood cloud video and that me I go say. Alright? But until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for Jamaica-verse game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. I know what that. About to miss a cap a lot, you know.